Good morning, guys. Welcome to another video. Today is yet another clean with me, and I divided this into 2 days because the first day I started late, and it's just the kitchen. So I just cleaned the kitchen, and there were so many dishes. Like this was 3 days worth. And recently, since I filmed this until now, I filmed this like September, and I am posting this on the 6th of October. I have been trying to keep my kitchen as clean as I can, especially when I wake up in the morning. I want to clean kitchen, so I clean every night. And so far, it's been working really well, and I love it that I don't have to do much work each day because it's just little ones instead of one big one every single time. Here I am just meal prepping because if we don't have food cooked, my sister and I tend to go get takeout and deliveries. So here I believe I am making pechay with soup, ginataang gulay, and chicken curry. If I remember correctly, because I am editing this like a week after I filmed this. So if I remember correctly, the chicken curry was too salty, the pechay and the ginataang gulay was too bland. So I need to work on my seasonings when cooking, but I am just an amateur. I just started cooking like real meals recently, except the fried ones. So it's a work in progress. I started with the upstairs, and this clip is so bad because I kind of filmed it in like fast forward motion and I wasn't supposed to, so it's that bad. And here I'm just fixing my cabinet, putting things into places and removing stuff if I don't need it. So I think another video soon will be a decluttering video, so we'll see what we will do about that. But this what is this, an exercise ball? I don't use it as much as I did before, so I'm just deflating it, but I still want to keep it because I do use it sometimes, and when an exercise requires it, I don't want to buy a new one, so I'm just keeping it for now. And my bedside table was I don't want to say it's a mess, but there was so much stuff on it, so I'm just cleaning it and just wiping it down. I don't remember the last time I cleaned this console thing, and I think I cleaned it like before we moved. So now I'm just like wiping it down, placing stuff where it needs ago, and it's been a while. Next, we're back in the kitchen because the kitchen is actually an everyday thing. So I'm just tidying it up and just doing a little of this and that, and this helps like not get the kitchen as crazy as it did the day before. So if you saw earlier, I just tossed things to the stairs that need to go to the laundry, and this is how it looks. So I just pick those up and get them to the laundry, and that's how I usually do things because I don't want to carry them, so I just toss them. I sweep and mop each room I am done. For example, I cleaned my room, so I'm gonna wipe and mop and sweep my room, and then the hallway, and then the office, and everything going down. So that's the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you guys get motivated to clean your house as well. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye, guys.